Hey all you Colton fans, today this is my job. We do hang out on the water to test drive every boat we sell, and today we're PDIing a 2024 Barletta Aria. Aria is the step into luxury for Barletta, but as you can tell, it would rival some of the top brands of their trim levels in the same market. But what we have on this particular boat is a 22UC, our top seller, best price pointed boat. We have a special finance price on this boat at $64,996 plus a trailer. And for me, selling boats for a very long time, this is a very, very good price pointed boat for what you're gonna get. So Barletta, very, very comfy seats. They have soft touch upholstery, so it's probably one of the more comfortable boats I've ever sat in my career. The dash, the display is very, very eyesight, very easy to touch. We equip all our Arias with Simrads, not everyone, but this particular one is. Bluetooth stereo by Hertz, great sound. Again, a lot of pontoon brands, they don't allow you to have anywhere to put your feet, and you can tell by this boat, Barletta cuts out a spot to actually allow those taller people to sit. Even though we still have tilt wheel and this chair does go forward and back, we still have some of those taller guys that are looking for the foot room for a more relaxing ride. It is a 12-person boat. You can kind of tell by the layout that you have a lot of room to fit those 12 riders, but the rear of the boat is why we sell so many UCs. When you're out on the gorgeous Niagara in Buffalo, you can get to the whole deck. We equip our boat with rail keepers so you can ride and enjoy the ride while you're lounging. This is the biggest selling point of the boat though. This lounges out in this position so you can watch your riders or get a nice tan. It does collapse fully flat, and I will show Mike that here. Now in this position you can just sunbathe, but then if you're going for a ride and you want to lounge into the boat, the back of this has a massive storage area, but you also can pull the tab here and do the backrest that allows you to lounge into the boat. My favorite part about this boat though is while people are lounging, I can still walk past them. You can get the Barletta diving board right here by Lily Pad, not on this particular boat, but one of my favorite boat accessories. You can swim, come up the back boarding ladder off the back, which is stainless steel. Barletta does a great job with the big handrails. Easier out for those older riders that still boat with us today. The boat comes with a 10-year warranty. You can't beat it in the industry. It's one of the leading industry warranties that you can get. This particular boat's powered by a Mercury 150. Great hole shot, great top speed, great boat to tube and do all your water sports on. One of the favorite features on our boats though are doggy doors. The doggy doors will allow your favorite rider to enjoy the ride with you. And then a lot of dogs have anxiety, so keep them calm, keep them inside the boat and not outside the boat. And to keep them also cool, we have a doggy dish here, as the guys at Barletta love their pets. This boat is also equipped, it's a triple tune, being a 150 triple tune package. We always equipped our boats with the extra storage. Throw that cover in there, keep all the storage under for your seats, pretty much primo for your life jackets and some of your more expensive water toys. Going to the seats though, you can see everything's double stitched by Barletta. Your seats are going to hold up a lot better doing that. And then you can tell by a lot of the other brands, they put their speakers in your base. Not too good of an idea because you're going to stack some of the stuff, and I always get that call, hey Jim, my right speaker is unplugged, can you come out and help me out? Barletta does the nice cup holder display up top, and they put their speakers up on the side of the seats. Nicer, more enjoyable entertainment package. And then why all of us are always glued to our phones, they do give you the USB port. So do we see a lot of guys come in and ask a lot of questions on the 300s, the 400s, the 250s? Yes. My personal opinion, if you're looking for a great price pointed boat and the power, 22 foot, 150, you can't go wrong. So check this out. Barletta gives out one of the smoothest rides on the industry. The Merc 150 is gonna plane off great. Get you up on plane, little bumps of the trim. Now this particular boat has hydraulic steering. So I can steer this boat very easily with 1 or 2 hands. Right now we're running at about 35, 4,000 RPM, doing about 25, 26 miles an hour. You can kind of see on the pitch of the furniture what a triple tune will do for you. Give you that bank turning that you need for your water sports. This boat handles like a dream. The VIP chassis on the Barlettas, which is the hat frame, and then coated in between is a synthetic rubber that kind of creates no vibration. I feel no vibration on my floor. Really smooth ride. We're sitting pretty high on the water. You can't beat this boat. There are boats that go faster, a little bit more hole shot, but they come with a price tag. Again, we have a special finance price on this at $64,995. 65 grand. You can get in this boat, enjoy it for years to come with all the plenty of the warranties of the 10-year bow to stern warranty that Barletta offers. Merc is a great power choice. So if you guys have any questions, you can give me a call at 716-694-0188, extension 425. And if you set it up with myself, we take you out for a ride and enjoy a day like we are right now. Thanks, guys.